Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, everybody, I am Siti Ulfa from SKIP PGRI Bangkalan. In this time, I would like to share my paper with the title Integrating AI-based Tool to Support Student Argumentative Writing Development. I'm so happy to be here. It's an honor for me. I am with my friend. Will present this article or this study in this third international conference on digital education and social science 2025. Well, Bapak Ibu, let's start from the introduction. Bapak Ibu, actually, in this era, there is a rapid advancement of digital technology has reshaped higher education, particularly in the development of academic literacy and writing competence. Bapak Ibu, I am teaching in higher education in STKIP PGRI Bangkalan, which is also including academic writing and then introduction to paragraph writing, and we know that there are many student of university, Bapak Ibu, still encounter difficulties in generating well-structured claims, maintaining coherence, and using appropriate academic language in their argumentative essays. Bapak Ibu, in teaching argumentative essays for university students, sometimes being a challenging thing begitu ya Bapak Ibu. So they need some tools to support the argumentative writing in this case. This study is limited to the way how they write argumentative writing, and we know that argumentative writing plays a crucial role at the university level. A student are expected to construct logical arguments, evaluate evidence critically, and communicate ideas with clarity and academic rigor. And it is based on Hyun et al. 2024. Bapak Ibu, writing an argumentative seems something to be frightening for them. Sometimes they are confused gitu ya, and they do not know how to write the argument itself. So that is why tools such as Grammarly, Quillbot, and ChatGPT provide automated feedback on grammar, vocabulary, choice, content, structure, and coherence. Those tools offering instant and personalized suggestions, Bapak Ibu, and AI tools can be also a help for them to be as a learner autonomous gitu ya, autonomous learners begitu, and also help them to revise their drive more effectively and support also their writing development outside the classroom context. Well, Bapak Ibu, I give my students freedom to use all the tools that they can use actually in the classroom to write the argumentative text itself. Well, we will continue to the next slide, Bapak Ibu. The method of this study employs a descriptive research design to explore how AI-based writing tools support university students in developing their argumentative writing. Once again, the writing itself is limited to argumentative writing only, Bapak Ibu. And the participants of this study were university students from my class who enroll in an English-related course, particularly those who engage in argumentative writing activities, Bapak Ibu. Now, let's go to the question that were delivered to the students actually. There are several questions. One, how long have you been using AI? It is related to the time they use the tools, Bapak Ibu, and also for what type of academic tasks do you usually these tools or those tools, and how do AI-based writing tools help them when writing an argumentative essay? And also, have they noticed any improvement in their language when they use it as a vocabulary or academic tone due to AI support? And how do the tools affect their confidence and motivation in writing argumentative essay? And then the sixth is, do you feel that they feel that the use of AI makes them to write or the process of their writing easier or more challenging, and why? And the second is, in their experience, what are the limitations of using AI based writing tools? Sorry, Bapak Ibu. And the last one is, what concerns, if any, do they have about depending on AI tools for writing? So those are the questions delivered to my students. Well, let's come to the result and discussion, Bapak Ibu. It is very surprising for me actually, Bapak Ibu. When I delivered the question to my student first, the tools really help them as learners to generate and structure ideas more effectively, such as ChatGPT, for example, Bapak Ibu. It assists them in brainstorming claims, identifying counter arguments, and organizing the logical flow of an essay. This guidance helps learners to build stronger thesis statement and more coherent argument structure. Bapak Ibu, when I give them such a motion gitu ya Bapak Ibu to make an argumentative writing, they seem so confused to finding out the claims. That is why I gave them freedom to find out the claims itself in their argumentative writing by using ChatGPT or any tools that they can afford at that time. Honestly, I need to share to you all that the ChatGPT itself gave all of the question at that time, Bapak Ibu. But once again, I need to make a such kind of limitation to them that please try to find the most related claims or counter arguments that you think it is related to your topic or the motion itself. And another significant advantage is the enhancement of learner autonomy and motivation, Bapak Ibu. We know that the tools also give feedback and available instantly, Bapak Ibu. Students are encouraged to revise repeatedly without feeling discouraged. The ability to receive support outside the classroom hours foster independent learning habits and increases student confidence in expressing arguments. Sometimes the arguments are too wide, Bapak Ibu, so that is why they make themselves suitable for the motion itself. When I talk about pondok pesantren, for example, the rules in pondok pesantren, there is a rule in a pondok pesantren that's actually my student used to have at that time when they were in pondok pesantren. It seems like the answer of GPT is not quite suitable with them. So that is why uh, for the students are easy to maintain or make some arguments related to their experience at that time. And also, it is also suited by the answer of ChatGPT, Bapak Ibu. And that is why they feel more motivated to write because they receive continuous personalized assistance without waiting for the instructor feedback. Yeah, they sometimes they do not need my feedback actually because the tools already gave them the feedback itself. And also, AI tools help them understand their weaknesses, Bapak Ibu, such as grammar patterns or logical inconsistencies, and therefore support long-term skill improvement. And however, students also recognize several concerns and limitations. Well, Bapak Ibu, maybe it is quite more challenging, and also we should be careful, really careful, in giving some rules to our student that sometimes we need the tools itself or we don't need the tools. But in this case, in writing argumentative writing, tools something like which is so helpful for them. And we come into the last part of this presentation, that is conclusion, Bapak Ibu. Well, by functioning as supplementary learning resource, AI tools help students strengthen critical components of argumentative writing, including the formulation of thesis statement, construction of logical arguments, and improvement of coherence and clarity, Bapak Ibu. And Last but not least, they view AI technologies as practical, accessible, and motivating resources that reduce writing anxiety, Bapak Ibu. You agree with this? It reduces writing anxiety and make the writing process more manageable. And students also appreciate the personalized guidance that AI tools provide, especially when teachers are unable to give continuous one-on-one feedback, Bapak Ibu. And it really helps me as the lecturer in my class gitu ya Bapak Ibu, but not really quite helpful if we use it as a continuous process gitu Bapak Ibu. So thank you very much Bapak Ibu for paying attention to my presentation. Let me close this presentation by saying thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.